Hey tribe, what it do? It's your girl Kiba Keeb in the building. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Today's video, we're gonna have a little chit chat. If you know me in real life, then you know that I am very opinionated and very passionate about a lot of different things. So I definitely want to do a lot more of these chit chat videos. We did a wellness chit chat video, and you guys love that. So I'm here for the discussions because I love connecting with you guys, especially when you write all your stories and everything in the comments. I really appreciate it because I feel like we're like getting to know each other more, okay? So this video is brought to you guys in partnership with my family over at GNC, y'all. If you don't know, now you know. I've been a GNC ambassador this year, y'all. And it's been pretty dope and pretty poppin'. Okay, wait, hold on, sorry. If you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe because it's poppin', it's lit, and it's where you wanna be. Today's video, I want to talk to you guys a bit about something that is very passionate and close to my heart, which is women's empowerment, y'all. That is something that I'm extremely passionate about, and it's something I love talking about. It gets me a little heated, but we ain't gonna get heated today. We gonna keep it. I can't make any promises, actually. No, we're gonna be good. One of the things that really bothers me when it comes to stereotypes or our culture is that as women we're often placed into boxes. And as a female, as a woman who is very kind of outspoken, and I've always sort of had a bit of like stronger male energy or characteristics, I felt like even growing up it kind of puts you in this category where you feel like you're not feminine, or you feel like you're not beautiful, or you even feel like you have to choose, like I like this type of stuff, so I guess that makes me a full-on tomboy, or I really love makeup and all these things, so I can't do this or that. And it's like they put us in these categories, but then we also put ourselves in these categories and we accept them, and we think that we have to choose, and we kind of limit ourselves. And I'm not here for that. Like, I truly believe that we are dynamic beings, and that is what we should be, is just as dynamic as we want to, because we're powerful and we're capable. We bring life, we give life, we encourage. We can cook, we can clean, but we can also hold it down under the hood of a car. Whatever it is, I really believe in having that dynamic. And I think as well, when you start to place these labels on yourself that aren't always true to who you actually are, it really does take a toll on your mental health, on your wellness, on your general being, because you're really oppressing a lot of your inner feelings and things that you actually want to be doing, or things that you're not exploring about yourself. That you might even be great at that you don't try to do. Example being, when I was younger, I was very chubby growing up, so I thought that meant I wasn't going to be good at sports, or I thought that meant I couldn't do those things because I was heavier. But the truth is, I was actually just strong. Like, the thickness wasn't about being fat or an indicator of being incapable of something. It was actually an indicator that I had some power. And I didn't tap into it because I was listening to the voices that were restricting me. Fast forward, y'all. I like to get it in now. But anyways, that being said, those restrictions can actually make you really depressed. Like, I struggled with those same restrictions, making me feel like I was inadequate. And I think that happens a lot within womanhood in general. And I think that companies like GNC are here for your wellness entirely, right? Like, it's a whole package. And I think that what's cool about that is that these things that kind of help you get you in the mood or up on your feet or help support your health really then affects your mental health. So it becomes this whole spectrum experience. So I want to talk to you guys a bit about the fact that I personally feel like the best way to move past these barriers as women is to completely dismantle them. I'm a beauty and a beast. That's how I break it down. Beauty and a beast, and I like to do both. So there are things that help get me in the mood when I'm in beast mode, and then there's things that help get me in the mood when I'm in my beauty mode, when I'm thinking about my skin, my hair, and my nails. So 2 of those products I actually want to share with you guys. First one is this one here, the Beyond Raw Lid. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys know that I love a pre-workout because I need to get in the zone. I'm not always in the mood. I will never lie about that. I will never pretend like I just get up and go every day and it's never a problem. No, the battles in my head, we must push through though, right? So for me, pre-workout is one of those things that gets me in the zone. It gets me in the mood, okay? To kill it, to get into beast mode. and do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't believe in limiting myself, and I know that if I push my body physically, it's gonna help me mentally. It helps me with everything else I'm kind of dealing with in my life. The taste of this stuff is fire. It's enough to kind of get you in the mood, especially if you're like me and you don't drink juice. It's like, it's that hit that you're like, oh, get me in the zone, y'all. Get me in the zone. Another thing is, y'all, I surround myself with other people who are on that same tip, y'all.
See, this is what haters look like. This is what haters look like. Always talking. Always talking. He said be great. It's true.
Be more consistent.
Be great.
Be more consistent.
Oh, goodness. Oh, the sun's hitting us. Hey, guys. Hey.
That lightened up.
This is my girl. This is my beast mode bestie. You know what I'm saying? So we out here, Kobe wall behind us, you know, for that Mamba mentality motivation. You know what I'm saying?
LA.
So we getting it in.
What's up?
Kelly.
Yeah,
Kelly, aka day, Sparks, aka Q, aka Q Quake Quake. Going what that footwork do, girl? What that footwork do? Ooh, 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 ooh. She gonna get you right. All the way. We got the juice. We got the juice in our system right now, y'all.
We got the juice.
We got the juice. So we about to get it in. Slash, we're halfway actually getting it in already at this point, but
what?
we in our zone.
We're always in our zone. We do this.
Cause we do it all.
To be honest, like, gym life for me has become a playground. It's become a space of like a lot of fun because I'm pushing my body, but I'm also, like I said, around people who also want to be great. I didn't play sports growing up, so this is my way of kind of doing that and feeling like I'm on some kind of team and trying to keep up with the cool kids who are playing all those sports and doing the most. But it's honestly, it's so empowering, and I'm so happy that I've tapped into that side of myself. And even though it was later in life, like, it's really never too late. So do what you gotta do and tap in. I was a little intimidated, so the pre-workout actually helped get me in the zone and kind of get out of my head and into my workout, so that I wasn't thinking about how intimidated I was, but more about getting it in, pushing, and getting through my workout. So on the other side of the spectrum, we've got beauty for me. So beauty and a beast. And for me, beauty really starts within. It's how I feel inside. That means my mental, as I talked about before, but it also means like my actual physical health. Am I getting my omegas? Does my body have enough magnesium? Am I alkaline? Like, all that stuff to me is really important, because when you feel good inside, you start to look good on the outside. So as much as I love makeup and I love the external beauty stuff, I really pride myself on taking my internal beauty as the main priority first and kind of diving in there and then letting it pour out. So GNC has created Luster and Lume, and this is their beauty bundle. We've got the fruit and vegetable antioxidant blend, we've got the women's health and beauty blend, and we've got the digestive health and comfort blend. But this one's the one that I rock with because it's got these perfectly distributed packets that you could just grab and go, throw it in your gym bag. So after the gym, you can, take the supplements that you need. This is helping to support your skin, your nails, your hair, and all that stuff for me really starts within. unfortunately, all the food doesn't really have all the nutrients that we need in it. So sometimes you need those little boosters, and especially if you want the go, then you need that. You know what I'm saying? To help balance it out. On the digestive aspect, y'all, the gut health is everything. If your gut ain't popping, I'm talking internally, then you ain't popping. So you want to make sure all that's in order. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm like a big gut health person. I'm all about the bowel movements. I'm all about the digestive enzymes. I'm all about the probiotics because I really firmly believe on that. I'm telling you guys, TMI, but if you don't have a good bowel multiple good bowel movements for the day and your mood is off, hey, there's a reason, and I think that might be it. Just saying. Beauty from within. All right, guys, so the moral of this story is let go of the stereotypes and do you, baby. Let go and do you. If you want to be a beast in the gym, then you be a beast in the gym, okay? If you want to be a booty guru, a beauty guru, then you be that. But never think that you can't do both or that you're limited by anything that anyone else ever tells you, okay? You got it, girl. Till next time. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whisper that she don't drink, set the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like what you think, so think what you want. She had me a thing.